Also, when we pick the color swatch or color name, we get a dialog box about color. So go ahead and choose cyan for the bathroom. Then we click OK. Then we click Set Current button. That's this button here, little check mark, and we make that our current button. Then we click the X to close. At the top of your screen in your ribbon, you'll see a layer control toolbar that gives you a compressed version of our, in a drop-down version of our layer control manager. When we want to zoom something, by now you have already experienced using the wheel of your mouse to zoom in and out, and that will be just fine for zooming into the area that's called the bathroom. We will then model the bathroom, and in the status bar we check so that all of the buttons are switched off, so none of them are highlighted. We then click on rectangle, we click on snap to endpoint, and we then select a geometric endpoint right here in the corner of the bathroom. We use dynamic input to create the outer rectangle that's 2 by 6, 2 foot 6 by 5 foot 10. Whichever method you want to use to create whatever options you wish to use to create that rectangle. We complete the inner shape by creating a rectangle with a distance of 3 inches from the outer one and rounded corners. So create 2 rectangles then that are 10 inches by 20 and 20 by 30 inches with rounded corners using whatever methods you've learned so far. You could create this by using offset. You can use all your different input methods. You can create a rectangle and then apply a fillet radius on it of 3 inches. You can draw this shape and explode it after you create a rectangle, and then just fillet these 2 corners, and the same on this. Then to create the commode, we use the ellipse. You follow these steps here, snapping to the midpoint of that line and creating your toilet seat using these specifications. Remember, an ellipse has a major and a minor axis.